Hi, the project we're going to look at today is a Raspberry Pi based musical instrument using a touch sensing hat from Adafruit. Now, this project is a fun project where you can actually configure and trigger sounds from any conducting object. You can actually download your own sound files and create your own custom instrument. Now, this is a fun project to do because this can be extended in many ways. You can actually be creative and create a nice box for it where you could have sensors aligned on the sides of the box, or you could come up with a different GUI using Pygame or Tkinter and also be creative. Now, this is a project that would take you about 6 to 8 hours, and it involves hardware and software. Taking the hardware first, what you will need is a Raspberry Pi, an SD card and a power source. Once you get the Raspberry Pi up and running, you will need the touch sensing hat from Adafruit, but you could also do the same with any other touch sensing hat. You will also need some alligator clips to connect the touch sensing hat to your triggering objects that you're going to use to trigger sounds. On the software side, you're going to need the Adafruit library to program the touch sensor, and you're also going to need a few sound files to use as the sounds played by your instrument. Now, this is a very good project for you to try out during your break, and let us know your results.